Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to quickly go through the new affiliate bootcamp that's just been released by Clickfunnels, and it's a pretty extraordinary new way that they've gone about it. Instead of being drip fed and being forced straight into the technical stuff, they actually give you the fundamental ways of being able to start getting into that mindset of actually starting to get commissions online and how to actively get traffic, as well as being able to build your own audience and start really building a following online, and then people will be, and you can build that trust relationship with those people, and they will buy from your affiliate link. So that's the goal. So I'm just going to quickly go through this. This is basically what you're going to go get here. It's free to join. You'll get drip fed a series of videos. Now I'm just going to give you a quick example of what you'll get on day one. Unfortunately, right now they do only allow you 24-hour access to the videos, so you do have to really pay attention on, for example, day one. But the content they give out is really enormous value. So I would sit down just for maybe an hour a day as you go through it. Now the goal is it's a 100-day bootcamp in order to become a super affiliate with Clickfunnels. So that means these are the people you're being taught by 2 Comma Club members, as well as dream car winners, where they've actually enrolled anywhere between 100 to 200 people in Clickfunnels, and now Clickfunnels is literally paying for their car. So I believe at the moment, so if you get 100 people underneath your Clickfunnels, that's $4,000 a month minimum, and then they give you an extra $500 to go get a new car. Pretty extraordinary, right? So this is one of the emails that you'll get on day one. Now, once you sign up to the affiliate bootcamp, and I'm going to give you the link to do this, just give it until the next day to get your first email, because what they want to do, they want to maximize your time to access these videos a full 24 hours, so you can have time, because they do realize that there could be family, you got a job and whatnot, so they really do take care of you here. Now, this is what you get on the first day. You get Steve Larson. He's one of their top affiliates, and then he actually goes through how to create a truly irresistible offer. So they say no. So basically, you can really start enrolling people into the bootcamp, and they start going through the materials. And Dave Gramble, he's a dream car winner, and he's actually cultivate happy buyers who stay with you month after month. So basically, that's really once they get into Clickfunnels, they get the subscription, they go through the 14-day trial. That allows you to be able to keep them paying, getting the tools. So you teach you how to give them extra incentive. And also Rachel Peterson, she's like a social media heavyweight, and she teaches you how to build genuine relationships and find the right customers. So not just cultivating, but they'll teach you how to find the right people that will actually pay for the service. So they will pay people that will pay $297 a month, or they'll pay the $97 a month. So that commission ranges anywhere between $120 to $40 a month. So that's just day one. Now I'm just going to quickly go back here, and then I'm going to go into day two. This only got released 3 or 4 days ago, guys, so I haven't even gotten all the videos. I don't have all 100 videos to go through with you, but this is just give you a bit of a sample. Now, this is day two. Jim Webwoods, he's a top copywriter, and he'll how you can dominate the leaderboard and become a super affiliate. Greg Jeffrey, he's an SEO, so search engine optimization, and he goes through actually how you can find low competition traffic who are already actively searching for a solution. So you're not getting all up in the high traffic areas where you you're going to be your website's not going to be found at all. These guys find a simple solution where you can find a niche and exploit it and start getting customers to Clickfunnels. And then there's Jacob Karras. He'll teach you how you can time manage. So if you've got a job, you've got a 9 to 5, he'll even go through how you can become a super affiliate and automate the process. So you can still earn commissions. You can get towards your $4,000 a month, and then you can still do your 9 to 5 no problem. And then there's Dana Derrick's Dream 100 method. And now I've been through these videos. The content is just unreal, guys. So if you can, they do give you an opportunity to actually keep these videos for lifetime. Now, these are absolutely gold nuggets. Usually you'd have to pay for this material, and they will actually, and unfortunately they cut it off after 24 hours. But you also get a chance to sign up to the One Funnel Away Challenge through this funnel, and you'll be able to, if you purchase the One Funnel Away, when you sign up to the affiliate bootcamp, they'll unlock all the videos for lifetime for you. Now, with this one, this is day 3, so this is where I'm up to at the moment, and I've just been through them. You actually get to go through. So guys, these are different people every day. Different people every day that have actually been through this. Joe Mafoglio, how you can set up like a YouTube channel, so you can get like free traffic on demand. You can set it up correctly and get it done. Spencer Meacham, he's a top affiliate. This guy literally brings in nearly between $2,000 to $5,000 a day just with ClickFunnels alone. So he's just insane. So you can get actually people that buy. So he's really leveraging targeted traffic and getting people that will buy. So you're not stop searching for people that are broke, that have no money. Actually, you get people that have money and ready to find that use ClickFunnels as a solution for their business. And so there's YouTube and how you can build value with your Facebook profile page. So guys, just literally free ways to do it, paid ways to do it. I would really recommend you guys jump onto the Affiliate Bootcamp if you haven't yet. Literally, if you can get the One Funnel Away Challenge and unlock this, and then you have unlimited access to it, I would fully recommend it, because that way you can go back to it. If there was something for example, if you're that day 5 and you really are starting to get onto the traffic side of things, then you can go back to it, go back to the videos, and really go into the content that you need in that particular time, because we know sometimes you just can't get to it all the time. But then if you just for the $100, you get the One Funnel Away Challenge, which you get for $100 anyway, but then you get this on top of it. So fully recommended. Jump on. If you guys do jump on to the One Funnel Away Challenge and you unlock all the days on the bootcamp, I'm going to throw in some sweet little bonuses for you. I'm actually going to go through these with you really quick. I'm going to jump in here. This might have logged me out. Nope, it hasn't. So what I'm going to give you, if you guys jump on. Sorry guys, computer's freezing a bit. Alright, so what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you some I'm going to give you my affiliate training that I personally, when I walk through the step-by-step, setting up the fundamentals for you on how I've generated 4 to 5 figure income each month. And then I'm going to give you 13,000 buyer leads, and I'll teach you how to use them. Then I'm going to give you access to a Google AdWords course where you can multiply your conversions with any business. So this is around about $100 worth of value right here. It's a great course. Literally, I set this up and I started earning and retargeting people really quickly. Basically, people that have come to my page, they've exited. I've been retargeting them because sometimes it takes 8 times for a person to actually make a purchasing decision. So it really does help. I'm going to give you all these funnels, traffic secrets. I'm going to give you my One Funnel Away funnel, where I've done well with that, and all these other agency templates, fitness, taqueria, contractor. So if you're an agency person, this might actually come in handy for you. You can give this away free to people, and they can sign up to the ClickFunnels that way. I'm going to give you a bonus traffic pack. This will give you some excellent value on how you can go about getting more traffic to your business. This is all buyer traffic too, so this really teaches you how to get buyer people with card in hand, ready to buy. Clickfunnels download. This has got about 46 different funnels in it, all from two Common Club members. I also got a bit of an unannounced bonus, and I'm going to additional one I'm going to add in here as well. It's going to be a Facebook swipe. So if you're into Facebook ads, I'm going to give you a Facebook swipes, but used by two Common Club members, where they've been able to attract a lot of people. And yeah, so guys, this is what you're going to get if you sign up to One Funnel Away Challenge. Also, if you do that, I'm also going to give you an access to a software suite called Tier 5 software suite, and I will go through that with you as well. And where you'll be able to get link wizards. Go back in here. I don't have it on this page. It's a bit of an unannounced bonus what I get to people. It's around about $6,000 worth of value. So you get link wizard where you can track your leads. It also allows you to also sticker reviews. So when you see someone sign, or other people that have signed up to a certain thing, it gives them that extra sort of social proof that people are signing up. Also, there will be instant domains where you'll be able to get traffic, find domains and get traffic through those domains, and a whole range of different other ones as well that have really been beneficial to helping me with my success. So guys, jump on. It's definitely worth it. Get into the boot camp. Grab the One Funnel Away Challenge that unlocks all the videos for a lifetime, because literally they're giving so much value away. It's worth it. And so I'm definitely going to be doing it. I'm going to be jumping on the alpha again in June. I really want you guys to jump on, and let's get it done. All right. Thanks, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this review. Cheers.